Good morning, I'm Dan Wood at Northern Sun Mercantile. In this video, we're going to be putting up the posts for our post and beam barn. 6x6 posts, 10 feet tall, with beams across on top of them, and that'll carry the load for our roof. If you haven't watched the previous two videos, they're linked right up here. Take a look at those. Video on the foundation, making the foundation, and leveling the site. Hope you enjoy the video. Now we'll be setting each of these individually, all cut to the 10-foot length, and bracing them, getting them nice and plumb. Now any of the nails in this project are a 5 1/4 inch pole barn nail with this Bostitch nailer that I bought specifically for doing post and beam work. It's a 5 1/4 inch nail. Really, they're blue coated nails. They don't pull. It's going right here on this mark. They're pretty heavy. All right, I'll slide it back to the line. All right. Yep. It's going to overhang the inside just a little bit because of the rough lumber. I think so. Yep. I know. I got to plumb it.
How should I get sawdust on my eye? Want to put the level up?
Hang on. Let me screw this. Just push on that side of it.
Push it.
Just so I don't push it over.
Yeah.
There, it's tacked that way. Check it the other way.
This way?
Yeah, I'm just curious. Leaning in just a little bit, but I can't fix that quite yet. All right, I'm gonna I'll have to get some stakes out there and plumb it that way, but I'm good for now. Thank you.
That's it?
Yep. It's hard to balance them without a second set of hands. No, I'm doing them one at a time. You want me to do them all?
You do them all, I can come out and do them. We can do them all in one.
Okay, well, I'll cut a bunch then. Thank you. So it's very important as we set these posts that they're all braced really well, because we're going to be setting those beams on top, and they are somewhere in the neighborhood of probably 250 pounds a piece. So we'll be adding more braces than what you're seeing here right now. I'll be putting ground stakes in on the outside walls and running 2x4s out to them to brace the long walls. And same thing on the middle posts on the ends. They'll also get braced to the outside. Take a little break from the construction here just to check on dinner. Loaded up the smoker this morning. Got one of our pasture-raised chickens on there that I actually just put on. Big slab of beef, a couple of pork shoulders. It's looking pretty good. So my original intention was to set all the posts on the back wall and then set the beams. Little slight change of plans today. The beams are too heavy for us to lift up with the tractor. The tractor doesn't lift them quite high enough. So we're going to go ahead and set all the rest of the posts, get those all plumbed and braced, and then get a lull in here to set all the beams in one shot. So hopefully we can get everything pre-cut, and we'll set the beams with the machine. I'm going to grab a long 2x4. You go on the other side of that and just keep it from kicking out.
I don't know how to do that.
I just didn't want the base to move. Let me tack. Yeah, I'm gonna tack the bottom first.
Don't we need to plumb it?
I'm attacking the bottom first on this one. Leaning towards the building.
A lot.
I can't have you in videos.
What?
All you do is swear constantly.
I didn't know if I did. How am I supposed to move it?
It'll move, don't worry. That's good right there. Just push towards me a little bit. All right.
Okay.
Yep. It was off a little bit. That's fine. I'll fix that later.
I can't not swear.
I know. This is Heather. She swears a lot. We'll try to bleep them out.
There you go.
It doesn't work very good. It doesn't always work. I don't know why. No. Maybe. Can you hold that up there for a minute? I'll just sink them in a little bit. I'm a bit. Don't drop it on me. I know you want to get rid of me. Got a kink in the hose somewhere. There. Now I'll go ahead and plumb it.
This way, right?
Yep.
That's good right there.
Needs to go further.
Oh.
I can't believe that nailer will drive these nails. I mean, these things are huge.
You did that perfectly without hitting the wood.
Well, I know. That's what I was trying to do. I want to mar it all up. If you can hold that there, I'll shoot the bottom. Unless you want to do it.
I do not want to do that.
Alright, we're going side to side this way. These center posts, I gotta have ground stakes so I can plumb them the other way. Not too bad, or let me just start this way. Still good?
Yeah.
I'll put 2 on this one. So now we just have the 2 center posts, which I got to figure out.
I don't think that concrete's set up enough yet.
No, I need to drill and put a thunderbolt in there, expansion bolt. An expansion bolt. It sticks out, and then you thread a nut and a washer on the top.
How do you drill it in there? It sticks out.
Well, that's why I'm going to put a piece of pressure treated in the bottom and drill a hole to recess the nut down into, and then set the untreated post on top of it.
Does it expand?
Something
threaded onto it?
Yeah, as it pulls back out, it's got wedges. They're called wedge anchors too, but they drive in and then they don't pull back out because almost like got these little plates on the side that expand. I think that's it for today. Now that we got all the posts up, with the exception of the interior posts, we're going to install angled corner braces at the bottom, at least in the four corners to start with, but eventually all the posts will get those. That really ties things together and makes the post nice and sturdy for setting the beams on top. I'm going to brace these door openings too. There'll be doors. There'll be a 10-foot door here and a 6-foot door here for the tractor bay. I want to get those door openings braced because there's not a lot of foundation there to tie it all together. Nice and solid. That's going to do it for this video. In the next video, you'll see us setting the beams, the overhead beams. They're 6x12s. We've got 9 of them to set. We're hoping to get them all done in a day. We also need to install the center posts. Concrete wasn't quite cured enough to set them yet. We'll see you in the next video. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Have a great day.